Welcome back. I'm joined by Donna Clark. She's the Executive Director of Hope, Inc. Donna works with the area's homeless to help them overcome some of the barriers that they face in getting a place of their own. Donna, welcome and thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
So Donna, I'm going to start off with asking you how you found yourself, working with this segment of the population. You have a pretty interesting background.
Well, back in the late 90s, I started doing a blood pressure screening program at a soup kitchen on Saturdays, and recognized the need for people to get the basics before they can move ahead in the community. So in 2008, we became a nonprofit as Help and Outreach Point of Entry, and the rest is history.
So Donna, I did a feature story with you. It's been, I guess, a couple of months ago, and it just really touched me when I spoke with you, and you told me about some of the needs that I don't think people realize folks need if they're going to get off the streets and have a place of their own, or even if they're living on the streets, the things that they need. One of the things that really resonated with me is you said that people need socks, that the homeless go through how many pairs of socks in a week?
As many as 14 if you give it to them.
Wow. Yeah. And then the other barrier is that a lot of people who are homeless don't have identification. Now, this is something that you and I carry around every day. We don't think about it. But if you don't have that, it's really a challenge, right?
That's right. You can't get housed. You can't get employed. You can't even get medical care, really, without an ID.
Wow. So tell me how your agency helps this segment of the population to overcome at least that barrier.
Well, we are the only street-level health outreach in the Tri-County area. And what we do is when the clients come to us, we try to get the documents they need to get their ID, a birth certificate, a social security card, and proof of an address, so their ID can be mailed to that. And that's not easy. To get a birth certificate from the state of Pennsylvania, it takes 7 to 8 months.
Wow.
And not all states accept our third-party documentation to get someone else's birth certificate. Anybody from New York State can get one, but New York City, we're not allowed to get a birth certificate for them.
Oh.
But we try to break down those barriers any way we can, and we tell them how to go about getting a social security card without an ID, because you have to have an ID to get a social security card, you have to have a social security card to get an ID.
What a cycle there.
It is. It's a big catch-22, and over the years we've learned to navigate it. Now, just this week we've encountered another barrier in that the motor vehicle department has increased the restrictions as to what you need to get an ID. It used to be a little easier if it was just a replacement ID, but now you still have to have all the documentation as if it were a brand new ID. And that's difficult. If you're living in a tent, you leave your documentation there, someone can come in and tear up your tent or steal it. There's so much identity theft, even with the homeless. It's so frustrating.
It sounds really frustrating and nonsensical that, if people don't have a place to live, that they need all of these IDs in order just to get an apartment.
Yes.
It's terrible. It's really terrible. So I know that you guys do other things there. You work with other agencies that it sounds like they actually come in to help people through the process and getting a home, right?
We work with Seton Center in Somerset County. They have rapid rehousing money, and they're in our office every day. We're open to help people access affordable housing. We have the MAC Incorporated representative there 1 day a week. Our agency collaborates with 50 different agencies in the Tri-County area. And I only know that data because I'm working on a grant right now.
Okay.
But you have to work as a village to help people through the process of getting back up on their feet. And the mental health that people deal with, they need guidance to get mental health care. And again, they can't get the mental health care until they get that ID. There are ways around that. There are programs through the Wicomico County Health Department that can help them without an ID. But we have to know the agencies out there so we can connect our clients to those services. We help pay for things other than the documentation. We help pay for medications, co-pays on medications. We periodically have vouchers to get free eye care. And our big thing right now is dental care, adult
Okay.
dental care. Say you get a job, say you get housed, you're back up on your feet and you're feeling great, and then your teeth start to hurt and
Oh,
you're
my
out of
goodness.
work,
My goodness.
and then you lose your job, and then you're back on the streets.
Well, Donna, thank you so much. This is a huge issue, and we only had a few minutes to talk about it, but thank you so much for the areas that you were able to cover. Now, up next, we'll talk with a local church working with homeless veterans. Stay tuned for more of Homeless on Delmarva.